So very important thing is called how to create the Twitter ads. So after creating my website, how to generating my website traffic and my Twitter followers, app install, this all come into your Twitter ads campaign. So first of all, log in for Twitter account. How will we open Twitter ads? A lot of people are confused. How will you open for Twitter ads? So in this one, when click for more option, in this option call is Twitter ads. Why Twitter is most of the updated is done already. So a lot of people don't know what is the more option. And Twitter is supporting for login at a time 5 accounts. How many totally supporting? 5 accounts. In this, when click for more option, they showing for Twitter ads. So the Twitter ads. After selecting Twitter ads, they're showing for payment process. People are confusing. So I'm creating any payment process. No need to any finishing payment process. Simply click for back. Don't give the save option. Click for back. After this one, select option is called edit access to account. Edit access to account. They will directly go for ads manager option. Where ads manager option. Click the ads manager. In this, we can start your Twitter campaigns. Twitter campaigns. So in this Twitter campaigns, will we start by total 8 type of campaigns are there. The campaigns are, write down the campaigns. These are the total campaigns. Any campaign will be selected here. I'm selecting for tweet engagement. Remember, any application will be promoted that depend on your tweet post. Depend on tweet post. The post will be anything, awareness or anything. So now I'm clicking for awareness. First, you can accept by create a debit card. Create a debit card. They're not accepting for net banking anything. They accept only for create a debit card. And they support only for dollars. Only for dollars. In this, I'm selecting for $10. My total budget will be $50. Campaign running how many days? Total 5 days. Each day $10. I'm adding for $50. Each day will be 10. I'm adding for total campaign will be $50. Total how many dollars will be continuing will be 5 days will be running for your total $50. Start date and any timing and start date and along with the end timing. So I'm not specific any end timing or any date. Why? Because I not expire my ad. Start date and end date. Once ad will be done, the ad will be going to expire. So I have run this ad in futurely. Anytime you can run the ad. I can run ad the any futurely. Same ad I can run. Same post I can increase the awareness. I'll run the ad will be continuously. But this will be using only for followers purpose. This will be using only for followers. Every day tweet will be changed. So based on the new tweet, select your campaigns. Click for next. After the ad group, awareness, any specific time. Ad group is your daily budget including off budget for your bidding type, automated and target cost. Target cost will be your 6 to 8. Range of 6 to 8. Then give which one? Automatic bid. What is that? Maximum reach, reach with the engagement. I'm always focused by reach with the engagement. Reach with the people can see and click the my link. I'm looking for two things: reach with the engagement. Click for next. After every option, audience selection, all. I'm not specifying any preferred audience. Desktop, mobile, I'm not adding. Next, demographic. Any gender, female and male. All range. I am selecting range will be 13 years to up to 34 or 49. Don't forget option when selecting time. 30 to 30 and it will only for Japan only here. 30 only for all country 13 years to up to 49. Language. What is the language we select? English. Add. What the location will be here? India. So location we can't add here. We can add will be only here. Hyderabad. Add. For the language will be English. Location will be Hyderabad. And target people your first tweet and new device or career. What that means? This option is anyone people first time using Twitter or your first time using for mobile Airtel networks. So not in Airtel, mobile networks. We can target that audience also. Within a last month, more than 1 month ago. I'm going for within a last 1 month. Last 1 month. Keywords. Which keyword you are focusing by? Behavior, event, interest, conversion tips. Follow the look like keywords and movie and TV shows. Movie and TV shows. In this selecting which one? Keyword. So I'm selecting which one? Keyword wise. Which one I'm focusing for my Twitter will be digital marketing. Add. When you are adding interest, the reach will be showing for in your option. The reach will showing for in your option. So in this, select it. Sorry. Keyword. How many people are there? 115. Select it. Here recommendation will be needed. Select it. Your recommendation keyword. Marketing. So everything will be social media. Everything. Next one. Retarget people who saw engage with the past tweet. So many people will be like or share. Share nothing but retweet or comment. Engage that member also. People who saw your tweet, organic tweet, not for the paid. I'm always looking for which one? Organic tweet. Expand your audience future. Now click for next. So what are the tweets are there? Check the tweets. Now click for next. You can select the multiple tweets. You can select the multiple tweets. The ad will be placed, user placement, profile and tweet detail page, and search results. User timeline, profile and tweet detail page, and search results. Click for user timeline will be default. User time will be default. Click for next. Ad total ready. Click for launch campaign. In the campaign, any errors are there. They're showing for error font, apostrophe mark. Your budget is wrong. Your something is wrong. They're showing for which one? Apostrophe mark. So click for back. So I'm checking for the ad is approved or not. Select back. Where you can go for ads manager. Same procedure. Go to back. Any ad will be once create. They will be running is okay. Perfect running. Is not running. Is not in perfect mode. So what is showing here? Running. So anytime will be pause. Anytime will be expire. They're showing for expire. Expire in a future we can't. Ad will be run. Expire will be done. We can't. And what are the ad will be create in your Twitter? We can't delete. The ads will be we can't delete. Is it clear? It's a very important on your Twitter ads campaign. How many total? 8 type of campaigns are there. Awareness, followers, app install, engagement, website clicks, conversion, re-engagement. These all come into your Twitter ads